guys, today is day 3, and from last day we are continuing learning how to use Spark or PySpark in Databricks. So here we are going to discuss how to pull a file like CSV, Parquet, or any other file in Databricks and work on that. I mean, do the transformation and action and everything we'll learn here in this video. So let's do it together.
So now, how we will start is in workspace, sorry, in catalog. See here in database, we have to load the data here, but when you will work with AWS, you will have the data in S3 bucket. Okay. Here also we can pull the data from S3 bucket, but for now, for the learning purpose, check the step catalog. Then I clicked on DBFS. Then I clicked on upload here. Okay, then I got this. Here I am clicking, and here I'll load the data, required data. So we'll work on some student data today, and we will check how the transformation action work, and how every transformation create a new DF. Okay, those are the things. So I am loading the data. You will do the same way because screen is recording, so you'll get this file. Then we are in this page. We will have the student data here. I have lots of data here, so I'm just trying to find out. I see. Here is the data. Okay. So if I click here, copy path. Okay, I'll get two paths. Okay. Here uh, in database, I need to specify path like this. Otherwise, if we are copying data from S3, we have to mention the S3 path in blue. Okay. So the practicing purpose, I'm taking the path here. So when you will practice, you will take this path. Okay. Spark API format path. Okay. Not the below one. Okay. Now I'll go to the worksheet which I have created. I have copied the path. Then in recent, I'll find it. Okay. Here is my worksheet. Okay. I'll change the name to so that I can easily locate this. I'll just keep the path here for now. I'll reuse this later. But first thing first, we have to create the Spark session. For that, we have to import the Spark session from PySpark.sql import Spark session. Okay, at the beginning, what type of mistake I would have done is while writing the Spark session, I would have put this s as small s, or maybe the small mistake I'm trying to show you. Maybe here the s I would have put as small case s, okay, but the actual thing is like this, okay, Spark session, and we'll do all the imports here. So I'll just run it. Yeah, now I have imported the Spark session. Then I'll create a Spark object. Spark equals to Spark session dot builder dot app name. Inside the app name, we will write the name what we want to give the name to our application. So here I'll just give it demo 3, demo 3, then get or create. Okay, then we'll close the parenthesis. Yeah, now our Spark object got created. Okay, now what we'll do, we just uploaded a data into the DBFS system. DBFS full form is Databricks file system. Like someone maybe heard about Hadoop file system, HDFS, and we have S3 bucket. Okay, like that. Here in Databricks we have DBFS. Okay, so from there we'll read the data. Okay, now this is an important part to remember how we will read the data. Okay, very important part. So we are creating a df. Okay, df1. This is the syntax: spark dot read. Our file is csv file. Here you can see. Okay, so I'll write here csv. Then I'll provide here the location which I copied here. Okay, this is a way to read a file. Simple way of reading a file into Spark. You need to remember this syntax. If I need to read the Parquet, then I'll just change here the type as Parquet. This is a simple way. Okay, and here I would have changed this file name dot Parquet. Okay, if it was I mean, if it is a Parquet file, then I would have done that. But currently, it is a CSV file. So after doing this, now you can see my data frame is ready. Okay. Now I want to see the data frame. I mean the data structure. Okay. So last day I told you, so I'll ask you, any of you, uh, if anyone of you would like to answer me how I can see the data.
Dot show action
Great, great,
by
great, great.
triggering the action.
Mm. So I need to do the action. Okay. Remember, reading also a transformation. Okay. When you will call the action, then it will read. So SHO. So okay. So here we'll do just df.show. Okay. Now you can see that we can read the data here. So what we are seeing, see, in our file we had header that you can see here in line number 1. Okay, I mean record 1: age, gender, name, course, role, marks, email. Okay, but here we are not getting the header names. Okay, so we want this as header, I mean first row as header. Okay, so for that what we will do, Spark, I'm just improving it. Okay, I'll keep it for your reference, and I'll write a new one here. Huh. So now we have spark.read.csv. So here we will put a option in the bracket. We will mention header, comma, true. Okay, dot csv, then file name. So this is a way how we can read with header in Spark. Okay, now let's see. So if we are getting the header or not. Saying okay. So now you can see the header is available. Am I making sense till now?
Yes, Computer.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, and now we can see the header is available. Just what we did, we add a option where header equals to true. Okay. Now we'll see one more thing. Here we are getting not all the data. In the data frame which we are seeing here, there only 20 records are available. What if I want to see more record in it? Okay. So in that case, suppose I want to see 50 records. Okay. I'll put here 50 and I'll just run it. Here I can see only showing top 50 records. Okay. Now we have the 50 records. But here in email, I can see dot dot dot, but that's not the correct format of email, right? I mean, that's mean I am not seeing the whole data here, right? If I want to see the whole data, what I should have right here. Let's see if we are doing truncat equals to false, there now currently we are getting the whole email ID. Okay.